Welcome to a special edition of the Frugal Gardener's Garden. It is actually November in the garden, and this is my annual sweet potato harvest. I'm a little bit nervous because we had frost last night. We've had freezing weather, and if you followed my channel, you probably saw one or two videos that I did explaining what really happened. I ordered slips through the mail in the spring, and they got lost. When I finally received them, they were unusable. So, not to be deterred, I grew my own, which took me until July. I normally plant these in the middle of May. So now I end up with this. These looked a lot better 2 days ago. So at this point, we're going to harvest these. As I said, I'm usually a little bit more confident in what I get, but whenever you see this plastic, you know it's harvest time. So let's see what we got. Okay, time to say a little prayer and cross my fingers, see what we have. It's container number 1, container number 2. I see a lot of small ones here. I'm going to need to open this up. We have sweet potatoes. Small ones, but let's see. Well, let's go with this one first. Since I pulled this one first. This is what I prefer for these to dry out, but we've had a lot of rain and, like I said, frost. So at this point, I just need to get these out of the soil and into the house. And boy, look at this. Oh, this is the main one. This is the potato that the rest of the potatoes grew from. You can see these are red, which is kind of surprising to me, but we actually have potatoes. It's funny how this grew. Here's a couple. I'm gonna get my hands dirty and wet, and I don't mind because it's harvest day in the Frugal Gardener's Garden. These are small, but they're still edible. Here's a few more. Put these over here where they can be seen a little bit better. Yep. These came out small. Maybe because they were planted late. Maybe because, well, there's a couple of reasons why, but this first pot didn't do so great. Better than nothing. So I'm going to move on to number 2, which already looks better to me and drier. Yeah, this looks better already. These are small, but I guess because the container was bigger, potatoes are bigger. You have to be careful. It's easy to bruise these. Here's a nice one. This is a decent one. Okay. So container 2 looks far better already. I'm not even halfway through. But it's definitely better than the first one. Yeah. I'm happier with this one than I was the first one. And this one is broken. Okay. This is taking longer than what I thought, so. Let me know when you're ready. I normally like to harvest these in the fall. Well, late summer actually. I like to harvest these in September. It is now November, so this is a little different for me, and it's better than nothing. And I still have another bin to go, another container to go. I'm pulling out small ones. Let's see what we have. We can add to what we have already. Huh. Surprised these are a different color. I thought I planned all the same. Oh yeah. Looks like we saved the best for last. Look at this. Gotta be careful again. Yep. These are larger. Not sure how many are in here, but it's kind of weird because these got watered the same amount and the same amount of nutrients planted at the same time. And this definitely is the best of the three and the largest of the three. So I'm really happy now, because if I would have got this one first, I would have been expecting at least this much from the other two. Be careful again, but wow, yes. Now, if these have been planted in the ground, I suspect I probably would have done even better, but yep. I think this might have been the sweet potato that I planted in here to get these from. Look at this. Let me get these out of the way. Finish this off. Another decent one. This is respectable. I've done better, but I've also done worse. Considering the time of year and what I went through, I am happy with this. I'll finish this up and show you guys the final haul, but this is the bulk of it. This is edible. I wouldn't cook this time of year because it kind of been laying around for a while and the temperature's been changing. But if you make these during the summer, grow these during the summer, then some people do cook and eat these. So I'm going to wrap this up for now, and I will show you guys the finished product or the final haul in the video and on my website. So for now, this is the Frugal Gardener. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe, tell your friends, please comment below. And remember, When you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. You guys enjoy your day.